Greetings everybody, welcome back to the Austin Lindsay channel. Today we're lighting this nice little dining room. So let me go through the lights here. Let me turn these mauling lights on one by one. Over here is this key light. This is our main light here. This is giving us our shadows and whatnot on the background, shadows on the table and things. This is our only hard light source. So that's right here. Off to the side of it, I have a white V-flat, just so you don't see into the back, into the studio through the windows. Then next I have another Profoto D2 bouncing into a V-flat. And this one is giving us our fill lights. So it's just complementing the key light on the same side, just filling in the shadows so that these shadow parts aren't so dark, and then giving light on the front of the chair. Then next we have a Profoto in a softbox. This is probably a 2 feet by 3 feet, 3.5 feet softbox. And this is providing some more fill light. It's lighting up the front of these chairs and the front of this buffet area here. And then over here we have another Profoto D2. These are all Profoto D2s. This is again bouncing into a V-flat. And this is just providing fill light from the opposite side of the room because if you have all your light here, you'd want it bouncing off of a imaginary wall over here. And it would be providing light on the sides of the opposite sides of the main window light. So that's what this light over here is doing. Here's how this looks on the window side. This is our fill light. I did bring in this other light, which you can see is not plugged in. I brought this in just in case I needed some light coming from this side, but the image looks good as it is, so I'm just leaving this here. And then this is our key light. One thing to note is I do have a flag right here, and this thing is blocking off the curtains a little bit, as you can see, just so they aren't totally blown out. And then all the way in the back here, I'll turn this on right now. We have a Profoto D2 in a probably 1 foot by 3 foot softbox, well, strip box. And this one's just lighting up this back wall area here so that we have some light, kind of maybe from a doorway or something like that. And then on the opposite side of it, you can see my shadow here from the key light. I have a V-flat, and that's just providing some fill back from the other side of the room, so it's not so dark on this side. And then of course we have our practicals. We have a lamp right here and this hanging pendant from a boom stand, and these are offering just a little bit of light. I have the camera settings set so that I can get a little bit of light from them. So our camera is all the way here in the back. I have a Canon 5D Mark IV with a 24-70 lens. This is parked at 50 millimeters. And then our camera settings are ISO 800, f9, and 1/15 of a second, so that I can get the light from the lamps and the pendant over there. I don't normally show light powers, but this is our key light power. It's 6.3. Our fill light power is also 6.3. Our second fill light up here, if you can see, is 6.0. Our opposite side fill light is 5.2. And then our back wall light is 5.3. So that is how we've lit our nice little dining room.